Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Automate 2026 brought together industry players from sectors including machine vision, robotics, and AI to see the latest trends in automation, imaging, and more. This year, it was also the chance for Vision Systems Design to shine a spotlight on pioneering and groundbreaking machine vision and imaging technologies via presentation of its Innovators Awards. This annual awards program recognizes originality and innovation, as well as products' impact on designers, systems integrators, and end users. Honorees fall into 4 categories: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Among this year's bronze honorees are LMI Technologies and its GoCater 2D smart cameras, and the MechMind 3D Vision Inline measurement system developed by MechMind Robotics Technologies. Those in the silver category include IDS Imaging Development Systems for its Nion 3D camera and Texas Instruments TDA5 Virtualizer Development Kit. Gold honorees include Cognex for its Insight 8900 vision system and Kowa American Corporation's Rotary Wiper Integrated Vision System. And there are 3 platinum honorees this year: Ambarella's CV7 Edge AI system on chip, the Lince 5M NIR developed by Teledyne E2V, and the AI ISP by Visionary AI. Congratulations to all of the 2026 honorees. Maintaining accurate inventory records is vital for the retail and logistics sector, but a new fully autonomous indoor drone system is helping the process, and it was recently recognized by the International Federation of Robotics, IFR. Verity, a Switzerland-based deep tech developer of warehouse intelligence systems, has received the IFR 2026 Award for Innovation and Entrepreneurship in Robotics and Automation for the new drone platform that features numerous aerial robots that continuously track inventory without the need for human intervention or GPS technology. IFR representatives say the award recognizes solutions that address significant societal challenges, drive technological innovation, and demonstrate significant commercial potential. The drone fleet does just that by navigating warehouse aisles and scanning barcodes autonomously. The technology then uploads the data obtained, including discrepancies and inaccuracies, into a centralized cloud-based platform and warehouse management system. The drones can operate for months at a time and capture nearly 500,000 images per day. The system is currently in use in about 200 warehouses worldwide. The growing demand for applications like real-time defect detection, packaging verification, and label inspection will be giving the inline camera inspection market a significant boost. Market research firm MarketsandMarkets projects this sector of the machine vision industry will grow from $1.78 billion this year to just over $3 billion by 2032, at a compound annual growth rate of 9.4% during that time. Experts say this market is seeing strong growth with food, beverage, and pharmaceutical manufacturers that rely on advanced machine vision inspection systems. And in manufacturing and packaging, the market expansion is being driven in part by the need for things like serialization compliance and high-speed automated quality monitoring. Further contributing to this market growth are advancements in AI-enabled machine vision technologies and automated manufacturing industry-wide in monitoring processing and packaging facilities. The Markets and Markets team notes, too, that the vision inspection software segment in particular should see the highest compound annual growth rate, 11.5%, during the forecast period, while the Asia-Pacific region is expected to hit the highest growth rate of 10 to 11%. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.